Hey guys, it's Brooke. So as the title says, today's video is going to be my room tour. A little bit ago I did a room makeover video, but I didn't do like a full room tour, and I kind of changed some things up a little bit because that's just what I do. I love redecorating my room. I swear I do it at least once a year, which kind of is costly, but whatever. I always like to repurpose things from different areas of my room and kind of change it up a little bit just to give my room a fresh new look. If you want to see what my room looks like, the room I spend 90% of my time in, then keep watching. Yes, I did change into pajamas. So I'm going to do this kind of vlog style. I think it will just be a little bit easier for you guys to see everything because I already filmed this video not vlog style and it was kind of awkward. So I'm going to just do kind of a full pan. I am using this ring light because it's kind of dark outside, so don't mind that, but I'm going to give you a full overview. My room is quite small, so it was kind of hard for me to make it as like clutter-free as possible, which is something that I really wanted in my room. So yeah, because my room is literally just a square. There's my closet, and then you go here. So I mean, this is my door, not really crazy. I have a crucifix up there, and then I have some hanging things from Target. I don't like a lot of stuff on here, but especially during the school year, it's very practical. So I have my tennis bag and my jacket and all my hats and stuff like that. So this is my desk. I love my desk. It's a really cheap desk from IKEA, but it's big enough for me to be able to do everything at. This chair is from Amazon actually, but it's a nice little leather chair. So like I said, this is my desk here. I obviously just have my phone. So I actually do my makeup here every morning, and then I also have room to do homework and stuff like that, which I really like. So this makeup mirror I've had since like the 5th grade. It lights up, which is really nice because there's like no light in the morning when I get ready for school, so it is nice to have some light from that. I have my play button, which if you saw my what I got for Christmas video, you would know what that is, but I have my colored pencils and just miscellaneous things for homework. I also have my Pantone sketchbook. This is for fashion sketches. Actually, I was waiting for my battery to charge, and I did this like some vintage sketches. I can't draw, so like if you notice little details, it's like not cool. So like this is supposed to be a ribbon, but it kind of looks like cow feet. As long as I've got the gist, I'm totally fine with it. I have my fake plants, which are always great, and that lamp is from Target. And then up here I have my collage. Some of the stuff on there are just decorative, some of it is like meaningful, sentimental stuff. I kind of just compiled it all together and stuck it on the wall. So yeah, I really like it. I like how it gives a little bit more personality to my room because it has things that mean a lot to me. This desk doesn't really come with a lot of storage, so I had these two bins, which this one has like hair supplies and cleaning supplies, and then this one has garbage in it, basically like stuff that like I have no idea where it's supposed to go. And then this little thing from Target is full of makeup and stuff. So moving over here, this is my dresser. Now this dresser my grandfather made for me a very long time ago, so yeah, but there's just like pajamas, workout stuff, that type of stuff in there. But on top, I really love this area. I have my plant, which is actually real, that's why it's dying. Then I have this basket, which actually I found in my basement. I have my perfumes and deodorant, and I actually have this body oil that I actually never use. And then I have some of my basic jewelry hanging up here, and I have this Elvis picture, which my 8th grade teacher gave me. And then I also have my mini backpack hanging up because it's super lightweight and I needed something to kind of fill this area, so the backpack looks fine. Moving on to my bed, I love this area. I think it looks so minimalist and simple and just clean, which I love. All of the bedding that you see is from Amazon, so yeah. All of my bedding and my pillows were so cheap. Actually, I'm supposed to have like more white pillows, but they're in the wash right now, So this white headboard my grandfather made for my parents a long time ago, and I just painted it white because it was a wood color. And then I also have these two pictures on my wall. You may recognize these. I used to have them hanging up right there, but I decided to put them on top of my bed just because they're simple and they fill up that little space right there. So they're two vintage Vogue covers in black and white. I really like the black and white minimalist design of those. And then I have a little shelf here with some fake plants from IKEA and my seltzer and a mini sombrero. I also have a Divine Mercy Christ there, and I have this mirror which used to be gold, and then like 5 years ago I spray painted it white, and then recently I spray painted it black to match. So moving along, this is my side table, and I try to keep this area simple. I do have this mirror. That's not a mirror, that's a window. So this actually used to be a brown color, but I painted it white, and I added this like marble little like cover thingy. I did that a while ago, so when the marble trend was really popular. But I have books down there, and I have like random stuff that never really had a home in there. I also have my sunrise alarm clock, which I really like because I wake up before the sun, so it kind of wakes me up a little bit early. I have some Vaseline back there for my lips. I have a Our Lady of Guadalupe little stand thingy majig right there, and I also have my diffuser, which needs to be cleaned. I have my propagated plants. I propagated these from a larger plant, so I'm growing these into a big plant right now, so they look kind of weird, but they're gonna grow into that plant. And then I have a peace lily, which this plant needs so much water. I swear it dies every single day, but I still really like it. So this is my closet. I used to have a curtain, but I recently got doors on it because the curtain looked kind of weird. But I pack it, as you can see, it's just packed. Up here is extremely messy, but I make it work. And then at the bottom here I have like 5 pounds of shoes and my backpack. This was in my basement. It was brown, and can you guess what I did with it? I spray painted it white. Wow. So up here I have some of my favorite books, and then I have my collection of sunglasses here. I have a lot. I have Mary down there, and then I also have a camera case and some extra books. And then up here I have my aloe plant, which actually is extremely sharp. Behind there I have this collage of Audrey Hepburn, my grandparents framed for me. I feel like the picture goes like perfect right there, so I really love that. And then I have my beautiful mirror, which is from IKEA. Really big, giant. Check out my outfit. And then I have some stickers that I've accumulated over the years on it. And I have this little Padre Pio thing that my friend found at the dollar store. Not the dollar store, the thrift store. So yeah, then you come to the end of my room. So yeah, that is my whole room. It's very small, but I do try to keep it fresh and sort of not cluttered. I have a lot of stuff, so it's kind of hard to keep it not cluttered, but I try my best. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Maybe you got some styling tips from this video that you want to try out. I honestly have no idea. I hope that you found this interesting, entertaining, cool. Okay, anyways, I have to go film another video and eat some food. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.